Hello students, in this video we will learn to change the size of the page. MS Word allows us to work with different sizes of the page. To change the page size, click on Page Layout tab. Select the Size button in the Page Setup group. A drop-down list of predefined page sizes appear. Select the desired option. The page size of the document changes as per the chosen option. We can also change the page size using the Page Setup dialog box. For this, click on Page Setup dialog box launcher. The Page Setup dialog box appears. Click on Paper tab. Now select the desired page size in the paper size drop-down list. We can also specify the exact width or height for the page in the respective fields. After making the desirable changes, click on OK. The page size of the document changes as per the chosen option. In this way, we can change the page size in MS Word 2013. Thank you.